Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey lovers, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. As you guys could see, this is a parting, like a 4x4 closure parting unit. And I do say 4x4 because they do have that little area with the silk top, but it is a closure parting, okay? So you cannot part this wig anywhere else. This unit does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is a straight textured unit, and I do have it in 22 inches. Now, if you're interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, love bugs, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit I am rocking is their Nadula Hair 4x4 lace front human hair wig, pre-plucked, bleach knots, wig straight, lace front wig, 360 lace front wig. Child, I'm not lying. They have all that on here, okay, girl? So I'm just reading it straight off here. Okay, so what they have on here is brand name Nadula, wig length long, texture straight, and it says lace front wig. Now I want you guys to keep in mind with this particular unit, it says 4x4, but it's like a 4x4 lace parting. Like you literally only get this parting space. So I want you guys to be mindful of that, because I don't need no confusion. Don't come back to my Disastrous Beauty said. No, she didn't, girl. Okay, she said lace parting. Okay, so you can only part this wig right there. Okay. The other thing I want to mention about this unit is the length. The length that I have is 22 inches, which is relatively long on somebody that is my height. I'm not very tall. I always say that to you guys, and when I do a length check, you will see what I mean. This is kind of long for somebody of my height, even after I cut some of it. So yeah, but it's 22 inches. And as far as shedding and tangling, like straight hair never gives me, I out of the packaging, you know, any shedding, no tangling. And that is pretty much the case with this one as well. As far as I can tell, I haven't noticed any shedding, and I have cut, you know, like a good amount of the hair layer in it, but I haven't noticed any shedding with this unit whatsoever. So yeah, that is always a plus, girl. That is definitely always a plus. Yeah, that is basically that. Now the unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable strap, and yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick length check, and then we can get into how I feel about this particular unit. Okay, y'all, so as I mentioned, I'm not very tall, so this is where the hair comes on me. I did cut it a bit, but you guys basically should have saw where it came prior to me cutting it. So yeah, this is where we're at in the front, and this is all the hair brought to the front. I would say that this hair is about 150% density. I did you know, layer it, which it thins out the hair some. So this is where it comes to me in the back, and as you guys can see, it comes to my booty. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, so that is pretty much that on that. That's a quick length check. I'm gonna give you guys a full 360 in the other part of the video, and if you are interested in what I used on the hair, how I styled it, what I think about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so honestly, I'm feeling it. I think it is a cute straight wig. I always say, like, I don't really gravitate towards straight hair. I have a very full face, and especially when my weight is up, girl, them cheeks is like, well, you know. So I never really gravitate towards straight hair, because for some reason I feel like big hair, and I mean full, makes me look thinner. Okay, so if I'm smaller, then yeah, I like a little straight hair here and there, but I don't really gravitate towards them. But I do feel like everybody needs at least 1 straight wig in their closet, and I always say closet because that's where I store my wigs. And that I like this unit, and I love that it's a closure, because I feel like with straight wigs, it's a simple wig anyway, like it's a simple texture. And I feel like, you know, if it's like this, like a closure type unit, it makes it even more simple. So all you have to do is throw it on, get your flat irons, run it through it a little bit like you guys seen me do. Make sure you put on a heat protectant, child, because at first I did not. I had to go back and do that. But yeah, put a heat protectant on it, and then you're good to go. It's just like an easy slate. So I always say you need at least 1 in your closet, okay? So yeah, I did decide to layer it some. I didn't used to layer my straight wigs, and I found that once I started layering them, I like them a lot better. So I did layer it a little bit. Well, not a little bit, a lot. I cut it a lot in the front, as you guys can probably see. Like the layers. I don't know if you can tell, but I did layer it. And I didn't really cut the back, but I did cut, you know, like some of the ends, just like in the downward motion. Child, I ain't nobody's beautician, so I'm just chomping in it and framing it to me, and I think it looks good. And it did come with a headband. It came with this headband. I was like, child, why it came with a headband? And it's not a headband wig. So I think right now we are so used to headband wigs that we still headband. We think a wig is a headband wig, but this is not. But I was like, oh, that would still be a cute look. But I just recently got this brown sweater, girl, this brown turtleneck, and I was like, honey, this is just giving me all the fall vibes. And I remembered that I had this really cute brown headband. So yeah, I pulled that out, and I was like, you know what? That'll be a whole entire look, okay? And it is. I like it. I think it's a look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think it's a really cute fallish type of vibe. So let me know down below what you guys think. Do you think it's a good fall vibe? Do you like this style? What do you think, girl? Let me know down below. And yeah. So now, as far as what I did to the wig, I layered it like I said, and I applied some good behavior to it. I put a few things on there. I think I also put my Cantu thermal shield heat protector. I don't know if I showed you guys that, or if that was something that I did later off camera. And I also applied my foam leave your hair with bouncing beauty wrapping lotion. So I put all that on the hair, and I used my flat irons on it. So that was that. That's pretty much it. And I think it's a look. So once again, let me know what you guys think about it. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you think. Let me know if you are interested in this unit. Let me know down below in the comments. And we're done, girl. Like, we're through. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.